Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Ghostbusters Halloween costume you can find. Whether you're a longtime fan of the classic franchise or just looking for a standout costume this Halloween, this deluxe adult Ghostbusters outfit checks all the boxes. Right out of the box, this costume impresses with its authentic design. The jumpsuit perfectly replicates the iconic Ghostbusters uniform seen in the movies. Complete with the classic logo patch on the arm and the interchangeable name badges featuring familiar Ghostbusters names. The attention to detail really makes it feel like you're stepping into the shoes of a real ghost hunter. The fabric is sturdy yet comfortable, designed for both durability and wearability during your Halloween festivities. The jumpsuit features a front zipper closure that makes putting it on and taking it off a breeze. Plus, there are multiple functioning pockets with real zippers, adding both style and practicality to the outfit. You can keep small essentials on hand while staying fully in character. One of the standout features is the Proton Pack. Unlike many costume packs that are flimsy or purely decorative, this Proton Pack is an actual backpack with adjustable padded straps for a comfortable fit. It even includes a wand attached to the pack, so you can really complete the ghost-busting look. The graphics on the pack are carefully designed to resemble the movie prop, making it a centerpiece of the costume. The jumpsuit also includes hook and loop adjustment straps at the waist, allowing you to customize the fit a bit more to your body shape. The leg openings zip up, which adds a practical touch if you want to wear boots or different shoes underneath. This costume is officially licensed and crafted by Fun Costumes, a brand known for their quality and attention to fan-favorite details. The overall construction feels premium with durable materials, real patches, and zippers, which means it's built to last more than just one Halloween season. In terms of sizing, there's a good range from extra small all the way to extra large, making it accessible to many body types. Just keep in mind the jumpsuit has a loose fit, designed to replicate the on-screen look. To really enhance your Ghostbusters experience, you can also find additional accessories like a ghost trap, PKE meter, and replica Proton Pack props, sold separately to make your costume even more immersive. If you're searching for a costume that combines movie-accurate design, solid build quality, and functional features, this deluxe Ghostbusters costume is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for Halloween parties, cosplay events, or any occasion where you want to channel your inner ghost hunter with style and authenticity. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.